Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today I'm going to do a video about the RS System large size wheel setup. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you if you have the large size wheel, how can you set up the RS System. Okay, so let's start with the video, let's go. Okay, so here I already installed a narrow large size wheel. So at the bottom, if you're using the RS System, the large size wheels, the medium will be on this hole. So for the large size, you have to move to on this hole. So here I already leave enough space for you, and you can see there's a gap because we are using the hole at the back. So there's a room for you if you install the RS System. And also on the 3mm place, you don't have to do any trimming, so it's not like the medium size wheel setup. So here, as you can see, I have 13 and 19mm roller installed already. So here I'm gonna show you when the RS System move. So 13mm didn't touch, and the 19mm is not going to touch the wheels as well. So this is for if you are using the narrow large size wheels. Okay, and next we're gonna talk about the 5-spoke wider large size wheel. Let's go. Okay, so here I have the large size 5-spokes wheels, and of course we're gonna do the test for 19 and 13mm and when it's working, and how is that gonna fit on this size wheel. So first we're gonna test on the 13mm. So you can see the 13mm, no problem, but the 19, is touching our tires. So in this case, if you are thinking to using the large size wheel, I will suggest you probably using the narrow large size wheel will be the easier for you to if you are thinking to using the RS setup. Or otherwise, there's another option for you, is just using the 13mm. Okay, so next we're gonna talk about the minus angle setup for this RS System if you're using the large size wheel. All right, so let's go. Okay, so here I have the medium size wheel setup for the RS System. So you can see the top plate, we have to trim just enough for the chassis, and it makes the 3mm place doesn't have the minus angles. But on the large size wheel, then I come up with ideas. On the top plate, you just do a countersunk and put the screw and tied it up, and then we just install it. Then we took this leftover parts from the popsicle, and I just trim it just the right size. Is gonna touch the chassis from the center, then we just tied it up, and that way it will also works the same way as the medium size for the no minus angle setup. Okay, so this way you can also hold the whole tire RS System, and to make that it's not face up for our RS System, and especially for the roller, you can see it's not that easy to face up, so there's no minus angle problem on this one. Okay, so this is today's RS large size wheel setup. For the top plate, even though you don't put the top plate support for the minus angle setup, it's okay, it's still gonna works fine without the support. It's just an additional option for you to make sure your car will not having the minus angle problem. So it's up to you to see if you want to use that support or not. And for the wheels, I would still suggest people to using the narrow large size wheel if you want to try the RS System, because there's more room and more space for the RS System can play with, and to make sure your wheels can fit your car perfectly. Okay, so this is today's video. If you have any question, please leave a question and comment in the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.